morning. My name is Mary, and welcome to Mary's Take Two. Welcome to Mary's Maying's USA experience. And then since wala naman akong mga lamyar ngayon, so I decided, wait, now I got tumatalsik. I decided na mag-unbox. Oh wait, before that, so since I got a laid off seasonal kasi yung mga factory dito, usually may mga layoff yan, seasonal. Ewan ko kung bakit, wala tuloy akong pera. In order to have something that I can do while I'm still on layoff, so I decided to do reviews on products to this certain company. I'm not going to mention it, but I'm doing it for free, and in exchange for that, I'm getting free products. And guess what? How many products that I've got? I think I already got like more than 10 free products, including 2 cameras. It's like a CCTV, something like that. And then I got this. It's like a cheaper version of Fitbit, and it measures your heartbeat, your steps, and also your blood pressure. Yeah, kung high blood ako, yun. Anyways, back to my topic. Mag-unbox ako ngayon. I just got home from my friend, and we decorated their house, their table, because her daughter is going to celebrate her birthday tomorrow. Yeah, happy birthday, Bella. So here it is. Warning pala, precaution, something, I don't know what to call it. Iwasan na gumamit ng kutsilyo na nandyan yung bata, or any knife, sharp object. And be careful, since wala namang bata dito, so this is what I'm doing. And this time, I'm going to open this. A wireless earbuds. Let me see. It says it's a two-way transmission, seamless swap, auto connect and pair. And it has a wire or something. And it's a sweat-proof, waterproof. It's a saving power, stereo music. Oh. And you can connect it to iOS, Android, Windows system. Alright, let's start! Dang, ang hirap ha. Tadan! I'm excited. Ang hirap. Oh, wow. It comes with yan. And may free siya na pantakip. Ano ba tawag dito? Rubber something cover. And may wire din siya to charge. And you can charge it anyway. Oh! So, take 2. So let's try this now. And guess what? This container So, pwede mo siyang i-charge dyan. I-connect lang to. Dyan. And voila! Charge na! Okay, let's try. Take both buds from the charging case. The red and green lights on the left or right side flashes alternately. Remove the cover. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Sakit naman. Oh, yan. Ayan. So, pag full na siya, if it's full, then it will go reflect like green light. And then this one, it's red. Ano daw? Anong sabi? Nawindang ako. Ah, okay. The red light and green lights on the left or right side flashes alternately. Turn on Bluetooth on your device and select C1. Click the connection to pairing. Let's see. Where's my other phone? Alright, I'll be right back. Hey Alexa, what's the weather tomorrow?
Weather alert for Tupelo. There's a freeze warning in effect Saturday, November 2nd from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. Tomorrow, there will be mostly sunny weather, with a high of 57 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 33 degrees.
Pairing. So it's already paired. Where is the right? Cheating. Wait, it's like too big for me, for my ears, but it's I think I can use it for my daily routine, like exercise. Yeah, although I don't exercise. Uh, let's see. Well, the sound quality is good, but it's loud. Yeah, it's loud, but when it comes to the if you turn it like high, naging basag na siya. Yeah. As usual, this is like the cheaper version of what you have for iPhone, or I don't know what you call it. Dang, my ears. Oh, ew. Marte. Anyway, that's all for now. Thank you for don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we also have a channel for my husband, and for me it's called Not So Blunt. And have a good day. I love you.